Do-It-Yourself Dell here with a product that we've used continually, and we keep ordering it, and so here's our latest delivery and our latest mishap with the clacker board. And you've seen this in one of our other presentations, but in a few minutes it will become apparent why we keep using this. But this is it. This is the way it gets delivered. And it's only about half full. But the idea is that I showed you in the front of the tool shed there, the spot that you'll have to take my word for it, that was barren and devoid of grass, and you saw how well that was because of this product. So it comes sealed, and it comes with this applicator cap kind of thing, which then you just pour it out. Now we're going to be going outside, and when you see the outside, you're going to understand why I keep ordering this product. I was kind of hesitant in the first time I used it because I didn't think it would work. But I spoke with a landscaper, and he said, well, it's a 3 or 4 year process. But I've been watering every day, and you'll see the hose out there and then the watering fixture and so forth. But we've been keep after this, and in case you have little spots here and there on your lawn, you might want to try this, because well, you can see for yourself. Let's go outside. Do-It-Yourself Dell again, and we're talking about seeding barren parts of the lawn that don't get much sun. Maybe you've got the same problem, and this is the product that I'm recommending. And you can see that some of these things were, because of construction work and so forth, were devoid of grass. So this is an ongoing process, and you can't see the total before and after. But I'm going to get up and show you how this product spreads around. Kind of get the idea, and this was our first section right here that didn't have any grass, and you can see how nicely that came in. So we keep after it with application after application, and then we water it as well. It's relatively convenient, and you can see. I'll go and turn on the water.